Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today, this is the Friday freebie. It's a lovely free printable for you guys to download, save and print. Now this has been designed to be 2 pages, but also you can use as an entirety. You can cut it in half, you can cut the little pieces. The choice is yours. It's a very flexible, versatile page. Now this page here has been designed from one of my digital papers from my VIP lounge called Miss Strawberry's Field. In case you're new to my channel, my VIP lounge membership is simply, as I say, is simply a membership where every month you get tons and tons and tons of digital papers. So it's very, very affordable. And I kept the prices down because I want you guys to enjoy every month. You get a different kit. It's never ever repeated. Okay, let me showcase everything that you get when you join in the month of August. The main collection is called Strawberry's Field. Of course, I'll show you why. It's a digital paper collection full of kind of like pastel-y color, full of vintage. There's like recipes and envelopes, but there's a lot of butterflies. There's that background. There are a couple of pages with ephemera that you guys can fussy cut. Is a page that's been designed to be cut in half as a two journal pages. So another one is a collection of tags. Another background they can cut in half. Oh, this is probably my favorite. You've got like the ribbons, and it's all like pastel-y, soft pink, reds and green. This is another favorite of mine. And then last, there are a collection of stamps. I gave you 3 pages with all different sizes. So this is like slightly larger and smaller. That's more like rectangular, like portrait side, and that's more like landscape with some squares as well. So loads of things you can make. Then every month you get a collection of bookmarks that can be used as tags, and so cute. How cute are those? So this month you get 6 little tags that you can literally like fussy cut with all the animals. I mean, can you be any cuter? The theme this month was the fields, the farm. There's like strawberries, there's animals, but also based on the Strawberries Field, every month you guys get a number. We have completed the alphabet gift boxes, so we have done from letter A to letter Y, all the alphabet letters, 3D gift boxes. Of course, my VIP members got them for free, but you can purchase them on my website. Okay, and now we have started the number. So last month we done number 0, and then this month we done number 1. So this is to get a template with assembly instruction, and then that's the template that you can literally fussy cut and put it all together. And because I had like 3/4 of the page blank, I designed this tag that, again, quite large, that you guys can fussy cut. But let me show you what the number 1 looks like when it's done up. Okay, this is number 1, super cute, stand perfectly straight. You can use it, of course, to write a number as a 3D. You can also use it as a gift box to put treats in there. Yeah, super cute. Love it, love it. And of course, it's all on all sides. That's the front and back. Also, every month you get a free digital magazine. Yes, you get loads for your money with my subscription. Every month the magazine changes. So this month is a past edition of the Artists and Illustrators magazine. We have had food cooking magazine, fashion magazine, Molly Makes magazine. It changes all the time because I wanted to give you something different every month. So the Artists and Illustrators magazine is a wonderful magazine to read, not just to discover new talented artists, but also for an art point of view. You can even print these lovely pages because they're full of art. You can use them in your journals, you can use for mixed media, or you can either frame them and use them as a little poster as well. There's a lots of wonderful articles as well. Last but not least, you get a gift from me. This month is an additional paper collection called Clockwork Charm. I love it. 4 backgrounds, 4 pages, full of like clocks and ephemera and cases or stamps, chains, etc, etc. I love those. They're quite like on the steampunk verge, but not as, you know, not as that. It's more like vintage. I quite like the brown and, you know, the warmth of these pages here. Okay, this is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there, so you see all my papers. Okay, so I merged all my papers into bundles, so you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now, I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then we have my VIP Lounge, my very popular monthly subscription. What is the VIP Lounge? It's basically a monthly subscription. You got 2 options, the £3 one or the £5 one, the gold monthly membership. With the £3 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website, unique digital design and collections, digital bookmarks and tags, a digital magazine you can download and read, a gift box template, and a gift from me every month. So you'll be able to download all these goodies every month through a link that I will send you. If you join with the £5 one, which is the gold monthly membership, you get everything that you get with the normal one, but also every month you get an additional digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So every month you can download 1 book a month between all of this, so you can collect them all. Okay guys, so you saw my VIP Lounge papers, everything that you get when you join this month. You also saw my website. Now let me share where you can actually get your hands on this freebie here, and about 200 more freebies that I have designed in the last few years. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, now you saw everything. I'm really looking forward to see what you make with this freebie here. Have a wonderful day. I really appreciate if you can leave a thumbs up to this video, because every support, every time you guys interact with your YouTube, it really helps me, because YouTube get a little notification. And all you do for me, guys, is always much appreciated. Your support helps me to create freebies and contacts for you guys to play with. Have a wonderful day, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah.